Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in today's lecture we are going to study about the motional EMF due to translational motion of a conductor. Okay. So EMF is developed due to the translational means straight line motion of a conductor. Okay. Now see here, I have shown a conductor PQ which is moving with velocity V in the direction as shown in the figure. The length of the conductor it is L. PQ is a conductor, length is L. Now due to velocity V, the conductor is moving with a displacement X and the EMF developed or current induced due to this motion is measuring on the galvanometer. Okay. Now let's start to find. Now consider that this total setup it is placed in the magnetic field. The direction of the magnetic field also shown in the diagram. Okay. Now let's start with the derivation. Now we know that according to Lenz's law, the induced EMF in the coil it is given by E is equals to minus d phi by dt. Okay. Rate of change of flux and EMF they are directly proportional but opposite in direction. Now where velocity v it is given by dx by dt. In the diagram we have represented v and that v velocity मुळे काय होणार आहे कंडक्टर स्मॉल डिस्प्लेसमेंट dx ने चेंज होणार आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे इथं जो velocity डेव्हलप होती we can calculate dx by dt. Now we also know that flux is given by, what is formula for flux? Due to magnetic field B, flux B, phi B is equals to B into A. It is product of magnetic field induction and the area. म्हणून इथं आपण phi B काय घेतलेलं आहे? B into A. Now according to diagram, what is area? L into X. So area is also given L into X. Substitute this value in phi B. Phi B ची value काय होते? B into A होता. So B into L into X. Okay. So phi B is equals to BLX. Now find the rate of change of flux. Means according to the first equation E is equals to minus d phi by dt. Phi ची value इथे substitute करायची. So here we get here E is equals to minus d by dt. Phi च्या जागेवर आपण ते substitute करायचं BLX. Now B is a magnetic field induction. It will not change. And L is the length of the conductor, it will not change, it remains constant. So move it away from the differentiation concept. So we are getting here E is equals to minus BL dx by dt. Derivation फक्त change होणाऱ्या क्वांटिटीचं घ्यायचं, सो इथं आपण करणार आहे dx by dt. And as discussed earlier, dx by dt म्हणजे काय? It is velocity of the conductor. So dx by dt we can replace it by v. So what is here formula? E is equals to minus BLV आणि हेच minus BLV is equals to E जो आलेला आहे it is a motional EMF. Due to the motion of the conductor EMF develop झाला म्हणून हे आहे motional EMF. Velocity is included here, means motion is there, hence EMF is called as a motional EMF. Now how it is related with the Lorentz force, we'll see that. Now we know that magnitude of Lorentz force it is given by FB is equals to QVB. What is Q? Charge on the conductor. V velocity of the conductor. B is the magnetic field. So force acting on the conductor is given by Lorentz force. FB is equals to QVB. Where charge it is given by minus 1.6 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. एका इलेक्ट्रॉनवरचा चार्ज इथं कन्सिडर केलेला आहे बिकॉज दिस फोर्स इज ॲक्टिंग ऑन अ सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ द कंडक्टर. minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Now observe this diagram. In this diagram I have explained the Lorentz force, how it acts on the conductor. Now Lorentz force direction it is given by the Fleming's left hand rule that we already discussed. So due to this we'll get the direction of the force, it is in the upward direction FB as shown in the figure, and velocity of the conductor it is shown in the figure away from the conductor, अँड ड्यू टू दिस हे लॉरेंट्स फोर्समुळे काय होणार आहे, ऑब्झर्व द डायग्रॅम. All the positive charges they are gathered in the upward side and negative charge they are gathered in the downward side. So due to this there is development of electric field in the conductor or across the conductor. Positive and negative चं separation झालं म्हणजे तिथं electric field develop होतीये according to electrostatic. So इथं हे झालं electric field. Now due to electric field there is force acting on the conductor, so that force is Fe. So now we'll start with the Fe. Now Fe, see here, what is the Fe? Force, electrostatic force due to field, it is Q into E. हे आपण इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्स ह्या चॅप्टर मध्ये पण बघितलेलं आहे की फोर्स अँड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हाऊ इट इज रिलेटेड. Fe is equals to Q into E. Now we know that this electric field is due to the Lorentz force. Fb मुळे हे इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक फील्ड डेव्हलप झालेली होती. सो Lorentz force here it is exactly equal to the electrostatic force. So both forces are same. Therefore Fe is equals to Fb. Electrostatic force is equals to Lorentz force Fb. We have both the values. Fe पण आपण कॅल्क्युलेट केला आता, Fb पण आपण सांगितलेलं होतं की QVB FBA Lorentz force. Substitute this value in this equation. QE is equals to QVB. आता दोन्हीकडे Q will get cancel. Here we get the value of E. E is equals to V into B. Velocity into magnetic field is equals to electric field E. Now as the electric field induced here, the potential difference will also develop in the conductor. That potential difference it is calculated as E is equals to small e is equals to capital E into L. Length of the conductor into electric field, it will give the potential difference E. इथं जो potential difference induce होणार आहे तो in the form of EMF होतो, म्हणून इथं potential difference E ने represent केला आपण. Okay, so E is equals to small e is equals to capital E into L. आणि जस्ट आता आपण कॅपिटल ई ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट केलेली होती. इन द अबव इक्वेशन इट इज V into B. So substitute this value. So what is potential difference? E is equals to BLV. And this potential difference मी आता सांगितलं की it is in the form of EMF. So EMF जो induce झालेला आहे, that induced EMF is BL into V. By using Lenz law we can give the direction also. So by using Lenz law this induced EMF can be represented as E is equals to minus BLV. आणि हेच मोशनल EMF आहे जे आपण ड्यू टू मोशन ऑफ द कंडक्टर फाइंड आउट केलेलं होतं मगाशी, आणि इथं आपण फाइंड आउट केला आहे ड्यू टू लॉरेंट्स फोर्स. दॅट मीन्स हियर EMF ड्यू टू लॉरेंट्स फोर्स अँड मोशनल EMF आर इक्विव्हॅलंट. So this is whole about the EMF induced due to the moving conductor in the field, translational motion of the conductor. Okay, hope you understand this today's derivation. If you have any doubt regarding any step, then comment here, like our videos, share it and subscribe our channel.